It is not safe to connect 120 volts and 12 volts lights to the same dimmer. 120 volts lights require a higher voltage to operate than 12 volts lights. Connecting them together could result in a short circuit or electrical fire. Low voltage 12 volts lights typically use a transformer to convert the higher voltage 120 volts to a lower voltage. Mixing circuits with different voltages can bypass this isolation, creating a dangerous situation. Dimmers are designed to control lights with a specific voltage range. A dimmer rated for 120 volts lights will not work properly with 12 volts lights. Additional risks include overloading the dimmer circuit, damage to the dimmer and lights, and electric shock or fire hazard. It is crucial to separate the 120 volts and 12 volt circuits and use appropriate dimmers for each voltage. Mixing them poses a significant safety risk and should be avoided. Connecting 120 volts and 12 volts lighting to the same dimmer can result in several dangerous scenarios. Firstly, the fundamental difference in voltage requirements between 120 volts and 12 volt systems makes them incompatible for shared control. Secondly, attempting to use a single dimmer for both voltage levels can lead to a short circuit due to the mismatch in electrical potential. Thirdly, this short circuit can generate excessive heat, potentially igniting nearby flammable materials and causing an electrical fire. Fourthly, low voltage 12 volts lighting systems often rely on transformers to step down the 120 volt supply to the required 12 volts. Fifthly, connecting both types of lights to the same dimmer bypasses this crucial transformer, directly exposing the 12 volts lights to the higher voltage and potentially damaging them or creating a hazardous situation. Sixthly, dimmers are specifically designed and calibrated to operate within a narrow voltage range. Seventhly, using a 120 volts dimmer for 12 volts lights will not provide proper dimming control and may cause the lights to flicker, hum, or fail prematurely. Eighthly, overloading the dimmer circuit is a significant risk when combining different voltage systems. Ninthly, the dimmer may overheat and fail, potentially causing a fire. Tenthly, a combined load of both the 120 volts and 12 volts lights may exceed the dimmer's rated capacity, leading to damage and potential hazards. Finally, there is a risk of electric shock or fire due to the potential for insulation breakdown or wiring faults when mixing voltage systems.